You just follow the intent ng gumawa ng ating Constitution. In other words, do not
Yes, sir. Dennis.
Kung ikaw lang ang karoon sa posisyon nila, kung sa'yo ang ngayon dapat i-amenda sa 1987 Constitution. And secondly, ano sa may tabunan po na itong prayer sa Luzon?
The second question is not clear to me.
The second question is, kano sa po may tabunan na himuon ka prayer rally sa Luzon?
Wala, I do not think that yung first question is irrelevant naman yun. Kung sa imoon, wala naman akong nakita sa horizon na any attempt to circumvent, go around, or move forward, or anything na hindi maganda. I just want to we
live on our time. Kung saan tayo dinatngan ng swerte natin sa buhay ng Constitution and your destiny, nandiyan lang tayo. Because this is what
a democracy. Do not tinker
with the cyclic movement of a democratic state. Do not introduce something which is foreign or not aligned with the original intentions of those who made the charter. Sundin lang natin yung the intention. Kung ginawa 6 years, 6 years. Now, kung nandiyan ka sa 6 years, diyan ka lang. You want to make changes, make it another successively, walang limit, fine. But you should not benefit from it. That is really what democracy is all about. Yes, Kaduwaya.
Sir, what made you change your mind? Previously you said no for DI, no for tinkering the Constitution. What happened?
Change my mind?
Yeah.
I never changed my mind.
Change of position.
I never changed my position because there is only one position. Hindi naman ito kama. Ang ano doon is really, there is only a term limit of, I said, you should bind yourself to where you are or where you are placed. At or is. I don't know which is the proper.
You don't want the president to his next term of office. So, same with the senators.
Again?
You don't want the president, a president, or any president.
It's obvious. That's why the Constitution says one term only. So you do not have the privilege of being elected again. You just follow the intent ng gumawa ng ating Constitution. In other words, do not, I mean,
Good. Mayor, they are saying after the Cebu prayer rally, it changed a lot in terms of perspective vis-a-vis the People's Initiative and the constitutional discussion person. Why?
no, I've always been a stickler to, you can, if there's a record of a history of my public life stint in government, I've always been consistent. Ayaw ko yung I never crave for any other than what is given to me by law at that time. Wala akong
If you were to suggest what provision, what economic provision in the 1987 Constitution should be amended, what would that be?
I don't care if you make the economics libro dyan sa
Huwag mo lang pakialaman
yung Constitution. Saksak
sak mo na lahat ng
economic provisions ng libro ng encyclopedia kung gusto mo. Let us not,
beat around
people
or
find excuses to just huwag na tayo magbulahan dito kasi matanda na tayo. We've been long in dito sa gobyernong ito, tumanda tayo. Nakilala kita, naka-short pants ka pa lang. Nagkaalaman na tayo dito kung sa badya, kadabad-labad ka man sa asking questions that